All right, so I fixed the respawn, so let me show it working. And then I'll kind of explain what it does. All right, so when I go to a portal, I'm switching my current areas to different areas. When I hit a portal, my current area respawns my player, respawns entities for that area, and destroys all the entities from the previous area. So then when I go back in to a new area, I just recreate. Okay. So, I was having an issue with the pooling and the respawn. So real quick, respawn system, it does two things. It's still an iterating system, so it's going to go through every entity, and if the group that they belong to that's stored in their data component is equal to the past group, then they're now their bodies are set as inactive, and then I'm destroying them. So I can see here that when I leave an area, I can see how many entities I destroyed, whether it be friend or foe. And then when I hit my portal, it shows what my current group should be spawned as and what my past group is. So my current group spawns that roving NPC, a snake, and another snake. And then, shows that the entities for that area should be 4. And then it destroyed those 3 snakes in the other area. So what makes this really cool is that, so this area, I can add entities at will now. So if I want, 4 NPCs and 4 snakes, the only thing is that I have to make sure that I'm setting this as the correct group. So I have that stored in a paper where it's counting up as group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And then this is 10, 11, and then it counts up from there. So I can create entities at will in my tiled map. And now when I play, okay, so I go into the next area, and now I should have 4 roving NPCs and 4 snakes. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are roving NPCs and 1 snake. Maybe I made a small mistake. Roving NPC, snake, roving NPC. All right, so there were 7 of those. Let's knock those down some. We'll create a whole bunch more snakes. So this will make level design a little bit easier, because now I can choose where I want my enemies to go on my map, and then when I run it, I instantly have those enemies set up correctly how they're supposed to be. So I head up. Now I got a whole bunch of snakes and a couple of roving NPCs. All right, so one of the issues that I was facing, and that's with the pooling, when you pool an entity, so my NPCs, if you don't reset all the values that you need, then they linger. So in this case, I had for my enemy components. And for my NPCs, I had where dead, I didn't reset it back to false. So the values, when this resets, when I destroy it, and then I go to create something else, those values linger unless I actually do the reset and the reset method of the component to set it back to its default values. If I don't do that, or if you forget to do that when creating with the pooled entity, then that value stayed as true, which is why it wasn't creating it again. It was just redeleting it. All right. So that issue's fixed.